From coders to cameras, Pyrotec PackLink integrates seamlessly across the entire production line. Operators can monitor production performance in real time, with data flowing directly into PackLink. This provides complete visibility and control, enabling quick response to issues, optimized line efficiency, and continuous improvement. Cameras verify each code as products move down the line, with results instantly visible on a cloud-connected device. Codes are validated through the cloud against ERP and WMS MES, delivering real-time feedback to operators.